Hello everyone, and welcome to PassFab channel. If you've ever forgotten your Samsung phone unlock password or PIN, it can be very frustrating to try guessing multiple times and still getting locked out. You don't need to discard your phone if this happens. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung phone if you've forgotten the lock screen PIN or password. We're going to start with the first method. Force factory reset your Samsung phone. Boot your phone into recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down and power keys at the same time. The shutdown menu will appear, and then the screen will turn off. When the screen goes off, keep holding the power button, but switch your other finger from the volume down button to the volume up button. After a few seconds, the Samsung logo will appear. Release all the buttons, and the Android recovery menu will show up. Use the volume up and down buttons to move through the options, and use the power button to confirm. Scroll down to Wipe Data/Factory Reset, select it, and confirm. When you go back to the menu, scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm again. Then, from the menu, select Reboot System Now and wait a few seconds. Your phone will restart, and you'll see the welcome screen to set up your device. But modern Samsung phones have a security feature called Factory Reset Protection, which might activate after you have forced factory reset on your phone. The phone will ask for the previous PIN, password, or the Google account username and password. Since you've forgotten them, you will need to use the second method, which is to remove Google FRP and factory reset your Samsung phone with a professional tool called PassFab Android Unlock. This software can remove the Android lock screen, passwords, and factory reset protection. Download and install it using the links in the video description. Launch the software, and you'll see the main interface. Select Remove Google FRP, choose your phone model, Samsung, and then select the Android version. If you're not sure about the Android version, just click the option to find out. Click Remove Now, connect your phone with a USB cable, and the software will detect it. The Google FRP removal process will begin. Your Samsung phone may restart 2 to 3 times during the process until it finishes. When the phone starts again for setup, you'll see that you can now skip the Google sign-in process and continue setting up your device. In a few minutes, you'll be back on the Samsung home screen, and that's how to factory reset your Samsung phone. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.